Well, I've heard people try to play down the importance of this game, but try telling that to the players involved. These men are playing for their countries and maybe for their international futures.
Of course, big opportunity for one or two to shine and firmly place themselves in their manager's plans.
Mexico start proceedings. Tremendous roar greets the kickoff. Maybe a chance. Herrera looking for goal. Off target, I'm afraid.
Yep, he's missed the target, but the main thing is the chances are coming, Clive.
Chavez nodded on. Herrera. He's got a chance here. Ooh, that was a good save, you know. Referee has signalled a Mexico corner. Always going to be the keeper's ball. Nobody in Mexico is under any illusions about the size of the task facing them here.
Yeah, well, Mexico know they're in for a tough game here. The opposition aren't going to just roll over and go away.
Chavez. A gentle goal. Didn't trouble the goalkeeper.
It's not the worst effort in the world, and that will be a sighter for him. I'm sure the next time he gets an opportunity, he'll hit the target.
Anderson. Now Bev. Reed. Gallardo. Chavez. It's a chance. Useful cross there. Defender's got to it though. They can make the pressure tell here, it's a corner. Alvarez Roca. Sanchez. Chance here for Mexico, maybe. He's got a chance. It's okay having pressure, but you've got to make more of it than they did there. Crisp passing. Reed. Keeper. License flagged, offside. Needed an earlier pass.
He's not going to get in behind this back four with runs like that, Clive.
Just headed on. Alvarez. Chavez. Referee and linesman agreed on a throw-in. Now Bell. Lost the ball here. Alvarez. Anderson. He's got away from his marker. Big chance. Some save. Made their lines. Looking for a way through. Tries a shot. I see a cracker. I bet he knew the moment he struck that he was heading for the top corner. It was just a perfect connection.
Yeah, right up in the top corner, Clive. Goalkeeper's got no chance.
Very difficult for the goalkeepers to get them when they're so high up in the corner.
So much to admire about that goal. Look at this. Still plenty in this match. That makes it 1-0. Sanchez. Herrera. Good passing movement. They do pass it well. He'll try his luck. Oh, he had to get to that. Referee's given a corner to Mexico. Here comes in. Oh, inches away from an equaliser.
cannot afford to keep squandering chances like that, Clive. They should have gone level there.
Knocking the ball around well. Sharp passing. Anderson. Out for a throw. Gray. Now, what can he do here? He'll shoot! Managed to stop it. They've got the big defenders forward. Keeper was always favourite there. Low. Now Bell. Neither about to give the ball up. Given a foul. Gallardo, Herrera. It's pretty easy for the goalkeeper. Bell. The ball's not short of support. Used his head. Chance maybe. Just lumped it downfield. Here's Gray. Shoots! Well blocked. The first 45 minutes have produced a closely fought contest. Some have impressed more than others, but the game is in the balance.
It has. It's been an interesting first 45 minutes, and it's not done yet, you know. This is still pretty close.
Here we go again. The second half of a game is often a little more open as the play becomes stretched. Can he cross? Has teammates in support. Intercepted. It was a risky pass. Anderson. Bell. Here's Gray. Now Reed. Didn't look where he was passing it, did he? Careless. Here's Reed. What was required.
Unlucky. You've got to be prepared to have a go if you want to score goals.
Sanchez. Referee's given the free kick. Is that it, or will he book him? That's a caution. He'll have to watch his step from here on in.
He's just a bit impetuous there. He just needs to stay on his feet, just keep his cool.
He's had his instructions, and now the substitute is ready to come on. He's been told exactly what he's going to do. Reed. He's got a chance. Oh, well, that's nowhere near. He had defenders all around him blocking out the light. He couldn't see where he was aiming. Goes for goal. He scored! It's all square now. You can have a closer look at that, Andy.
Going on now is number 19.
Substitution here, Mexican coach just changing things. Nothing between them. It's now 1-1. Bell. Reed. Low. Now Reed.
Got a bit of a swagger about them at the moment, the way they're passing, the control they've got.
The moment you think they're in control and playing as well as they can, another pass seems to go astray.
Yeah, ball turned over, possession lost. It's careless.
Referee's given the throw to Mexico.
Substitutional moments.
Here comes the substitute. He's had a long talking to from the manager, who's been mapping out his responsibilities to him. Gutierrez. So important to keep possession. Now Bell. Calls a foul. Alert defending. They could have been opened up there. Pass back into his own area then. Moreno.
Oh, now they haven't picked him up here.
Can he get to it?
They really stretched the defence.
Offside given. I don't think they would have caught him up to the flag. Herrera. Plenty of options. Here's a chance. And that's tamely into the hands of the keeper. Low. Will be a throw-in. Low. Moreno. Sanchez. He's got a chance. It's there to be hit. Oh, that was a good save, you know. Marshall. Possession changes hands. Moreno. Pardo. Here's Gray. Herrera. Gutierrez. Caught offside. It's got a bit early.
Just needs to check his run there. Don't go too soon.
I think he was hoping for no more than a lecture, but he's booked him.
Well, that's a correct decision from the referee. He's got that spot on with that yellow card.
Substitution taking place. Give me all the wheel, please. Number 6.
Mexico making a substitution. Into the last 3 minutes or so, not long. Who's on the end of this? That's a shot! Oh, no! That could have made all the difference. What a chance!
If the score's all level, Clyde, you get opportunities like that, you've got to take them, otherwise they can come back to haunt you.
Antonio. There's a man free. Has a go. Oh, it was such an anxious finish. He knew what it would have meant to take the lead in this one. Herrera. Switching the play to the other flank. Gutierrez. Alvarez. The whistle has gone, and we've got stalemate here. Nothing between them.